Quarantine and whip, 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 and I keep it strapped. Hey, what's good, what's good, what's good? It's your boy Rome again, back again with episode 2, Quarantine and Whips, where we watch these videos, I react to them, I show you some of the things that I like, and I commentate on the stuff I don't like, you know. I'll probably let this run about a good 10-15 minutes. This one's basically gonna be all trucks. It's all trucks. I do own a truck, man, and I would love to do some stuff like this to my truck. I know it's very expensive. I'm gonna let the beat play and I'm gonna point out some of the things I see. Let me know if y'all see some things y'all like, man. Maybe we can collaborate. Y'all can pay me to do it to my truck, and I'll do it to my truck, and then I'll show it to y'all, and y'all can tell me if y'all like it too. You know what I mean? They deep on that one, ain't they? Big Booty 4 Diddy. Once again, this is a video by K-Dog Films. I did not record this. I reacted to somebody else's video. If y'all want to go check out some of the other stuff, K-Dog Films is the YouTube page. That's hard. I always wanted to get some shit like that on my truck. You know what I mean? Once again, those spiky things. I mentioned that in the first video. I don't understand the spiky things, but I get it. I don't know if it's for show or if it's like some kind of like anti-theft thing, because it seems like it'll be very difficult to try and take those off if you just came through with a 4-way trying to get those off. The black and gold, I fuck with it. Rolling big power. I don't really like the F-150s. Maybe like the 250s or something like that. 250s and ups are nice, but the F-150s, at least the one I drove, it was kind of trash, man. Like, they were slow. I'm sure they got power. They got nice power to them, but no, when I got in that Dodge, man, I got that Hemi motor, the sound, the feel. You know, they really drive like cars. If you're used to driving cars, you'll like a Dodge truck. The knowledge are nice. If you want something super sexy, you know what I mean? Something with a lot of style, a lot of class to it, you'll want to go with a GMC. You know what I mean? I'm guessing some kind of Denali right there. It's all right. What we got? We got the green. Buddy went stupid with the green. He got the little green all up in the hood. He got the badges all around. He got the suspension all that underneath. I'm not sure if that's for off-road or if that's for like just to lift it up, or if he got it bagged. It looked like Buddy got some bagging on there right there. So when he hop in, he can hop in and out, because they have no step ladder on the side of that man. F250. 3 white girls in there with him. You know, he doing it real big right there. He got the gray with the teal. He went stupid with that one. This grill is hard. I never seen a grill like that before. Never seen a grill like that before. And it looks like he got a couple tires in there lined up in the back too. Once again, white girls in the back. Omar's wheels. The wheels is hard. You know, my truck got a lot of chrome in it. It's basically white chrome and that black hard plastic. And I was trying to figure out what type of wheels I would get for something like that if I did lift it up. And I'm thinking like a deep dish chrome, that'd be real hard. I can't really do the black and chrome. It'd be too much. I don't even know what that is, but I actually like it a lot. Real old, like not cool old school, but like old school. It's an F350. Big motor. You know what I mean? Big paper. He got the front lit up. He got the bar across the front, so it's basically like a big squirt. He got the red. He got the red on the side view mirrors. Big chrome rims. That's hard too. See, it's really what I want, but I guess I have to get rid of all the chrome and get like some crap like that. That's the thing about trucks. You can really do anything to them, but you want to spend a whole lot of money, man. Whole lot of money. But look at that shit though. I know y'all been riding down the highway and seen a truck like this coming down, man, blowing that black smoke, them diesels, and they be getting it, man. Sitting up super high, like they super comfortable, man. Steering wheel is huge. Them seats is like couches when you ride in them trucks, man. And you get you some suspension like that with the bars and shit across it. You know what I mean? Get you like 2 or 3 white girls in there. Woo! They got something different going on up in there. She knows she on the camera too, look at her. She mad. Mad as hell. Why you so mad, lady? Lady mad as hell. That's sexy too. Got the black on black dually. Black on black dually with that bumper. Let me check the back. The back look decent. He got a wide body kit on his though. He flexing. Did y'all see that fifth wheel on the back? Nice wrap. Nice wrap. It's nice matte. You know what I mean? She looked like she is not taking no BS. Chrome on it with the suspension. White and red. I'm not really a white and red. To me, it seems like it's like a lot of like BMX type. It looked real, it looked too sporty, too play kiddish. You know what I mean? That's not what you want. Dually. Y'all ever seen one like that before? I'm sure y'all haven't. Peep the speakers in the back. Peep the speakers in the back. So when they pull up, they can let the music play out the back, man. They got 4 of them, 4 big ones. This stuff you do when you got too much money, man. The green and the blue, he different. You feel me? Who's putting those 2 colors together like that? Who's doing it? Nobody. Whoa. I see 6 doors and a snowmobile. He got 2 snowmobiles. He pulled up flex on y'all. You know, y'all be pulling up with the ATVs and all that crap, man. Thinking y'all cool, man. Buddy pulled up with 6 doors and 2 ATVs in the back, man. Quit playing with this man. Quit playing with this man. Oh. Hey. Oh.
That's a vibe.
Whoops.
Want a vibe.
Nope. You can't vibe to that. Can't vibe to that, man. Okay. Got the black and red. Black and red is hard. Out the sunroof. Big truck with a sunroof, man. This is a different type of paper. Different type of paper. These are things that you don't notice, but if you buying a truck, you notice them, man. A lifted truck with a sunroof. That is something that is not regular, okay? Let's see. He got the silver, not chrome, silver with the black and blue and the flag on the black. Flag on the back. Blue lights. Mud tires. Big lifted suspension. Pulled up with the doors open. Okay? Different. Rock lights. Different. That man is different. He gonna stand out when he pull up somewhere. This is what y'all need to keep in mind, because it ain't always about flexing. But when you do flex, you need to be different, man. Chrome wheels, blue paint. He just slapped stickers on that motherfucker. You know, him, man. You know what I mean? It's alright. I don't know what he was doing on the inside. I don't get it, you know, but he tried it. That's all that matters. Look at that wrap. Look at that grill. That is a custom grill. Whatever that say, the shit light up on the side, okay? They are happy. They got flags. They are showing their patriotism. This is what I got. This is what I'm talking about. The way those lights are, that's what I want on mine. I'm not feeling that gold. I'm guessing it's gold or green or a lime or some shit like that. Man, he played himself. He played himself on that one. He tried it, you know what I mean? But nah. He got a dragon on the side of the side. He must do like some kung fu or some shit. They quickly moved him off the screen. That's hard though. It's gray. It's like a gray metallic-y with the teal wheels on it, man. That shit is hard. Horn blaster. And they deep. Dumb deep. Okay. The Chevy sign is cocked. That's different. That's different. I don't know what it say on the side, but he trying something. American Force. Peep the speakers in the back. Peep the details, man. He came to party. He came to party. He got the speakers in the back. He got about 18 people back there. He is ready to kick it. The Can-Am sitting on top. How you get that up there? How did that even get up there, man? This man is different. He a different level of stunting on you dudes, man. Different level of stunting. Because not only did he bring it, not only does he have it, does he own it, not only is it with him, is it on his truck, he managed to get it on top of his truck, man. How is he gonna get it down? You don't know. Paper and then money is gonna get that thing down. That's hard. Black with the all white. You never seen this before. And she old as dirt. And she old as dirt driving that. Everybody else in the back kicking. But he was in a wheelchair. He said, I'm about to get out here. I'm about to get active today. He pulled up in a monster truck and he's sitting in the middle. You see that? He's sitting in the middle. Ain't no 2-seater. Ain't no 4-seater. It's a 1-seater, man, with bad habits. That's a real monster truck. That is a real monster truck. Alright, they're getting kind of coin now. But we're going to go ahead and end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all saw some things y'all like, please let me know. If y'all haven't seen the video where I show my whips, please let me know what y'all think I should do to my whip. Any of these things. I'm thinking, like I said, I'm thinking chrome wheels, something nice. something large. I don't necessarily know if I want to lift it yet because that is very expensive. But if it is within my means, as big as I can go, as chromy as I can go, and like a colorway that I want to get on my shit. That's hard too, man. But y'all be easy. This is another Quarantine of Whips, episode 2. Holla at your boy.